This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we have a Whirlpool top-loading direct drive washing machine, and when we pull out the clothes it appears that the clothes did not get wringed very dry. They're still pretty wet. So I think it's the clutch. That's what this part is right here. They're pretty easy to replace, but one way you can test to make sure it's the clutch is you can put some water in and then turn it on to agitate. And if it's agitating really well, but it's not spinning very fast, like in this case, barely spinning at all, or whenever you put weight in there, like there's a lot of clothing or towels, it doesn't seem to spin them dry, then that's how you know that it's the clutch. If you set it to spin and you hear the motor running, but there's no spinning at all, and there's no agitation, that's probably the motor coupler. So this is just a way to figure out which problem you have. In this case, it's the clutch. Hope that's been helpful to you, and please subscribe when you get a chance.